Aston Martin has done it again. Just when enthusiasts thought the DB12 couldn't get any better, the British automaker has unleashed the new DB12 S, a sharper, meaner, and more powerful evolution of its Super Tourer. Billed as the halo of the DB lineup, the DB12 S combines brutal performance, refined engineering, and the signature elegance that defines the Aston Martin name. This car doesn't just replace the DB12, it elevates it into a new level of grand touring performance. Under the hood lies a masterpiece of precision engineering, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that now produces a monstrous 690 horsepower, 515 kilowatts, and 590 pound-feet of torque, 800 newton meters. That's an increase of 20 horsepower over the standard DB12, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Despite the boost in power, the top speed remains a thrilling 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers per hour, perfectly fitting for a car that looks ready to outrun time itself. Aston Martin didn't just chase power, it chased perfection. The DB12 S benefits from an optimized launch control system that cuts gear shift times by more than 50%, delivering lightning-fast acceleration with seamless precision. Engineers also fine-tuned the throttle calibration, introducing an S-specific drive-by-wire throttle map. This gives the driver more control and a stronger sense of connection with the car, an essential quality in a true driver's machine. Handling improvements are equally impressive. The DB12 S features a revised suspension setup with a stiffer rear anti-roll bar and refined camber, toe, and caster geometry for improved balance and cornering precision. The Bilstein DTX adaptive dampers now come with updated software to enhance roll and pitch control, ensuring a more planted and predictable feel even at high speeds. Meanwhile, the recalibrated steering system and updated electronic rear differential make the car more intuitive and responsive, delivering what Aston Martin calls a natural, connected driving experience. Visually, the Aston Martin DB12 S expresses its newfound aggression with subtle yet powerful design updates. A dual-element front splitter lowers and widens the car's stance while generating additional downforce. The new ventilated hood, available in gloss black or carbon fiber, helps channel air for both cooling and performance. Gloss black side skirts continue the lowered visual theme, while 21-inch alloy wheels complete the sporty, purposeful look. Behind those wheels, a new carbon ceramic braking system provides both beauty and function. Measuring 16.1 inches up front and 14.2 inches in the rear, these brakes reduce unsprung weight by 60 pounds compared to steel alternatives, improving handling and braking consistency. The rear end of the DB12S gets a redesigned bumper, an integrated spoiler, and a stacked quad tailpipe exhaust system that roars with authority. For those who crave an even angrier sound, Aston Martin offers a titanium exhaust option that's not only louder, but 25 pounds lighter. Inside, the DB12S retains Aston Martin's luxurious craftsmanship while adding a racier edge. The cabin features a red anodized rotary controller, 16-way adjustable sports seats, and a blend of leather and Alcantara upholstery. Gloss black and satin chrome accents create a modern, performance-oriented atmosphere. Buyers can choose from optional carbon fiber performance seats, a heated Alcantara steering wheel, and premium Bowers & Wilkins audio. The personalization options remain as endless as the car's capabilities. Aston Martin will offer the DB12 S in both coupe and convertible body styles, with deliveries expected to begin early next year. Pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but with this level of engineering, performance, and design, the DB12 S is poised to stand as one of the most desirable grand tours on the planet. In short, the Aston Martin DB12 S isn't just faster, it's smarter, sharper, and more focused than ever before. It takes the elegance of a luxury GT and infuses it with the heart of a supercar. Whether cruising along the Riviera or tearing through mountain passes, the DB12S is built to thrill, making it a perfect machine for those who live life in the fast lane.